Hi, this is a Janome TXL607. I just bought it yesterday and I've just unpacked the box the first time. In the box you get the sewing machine, the hard cover, the foot pedal and power leads, instruction book, an instructional DVD, a set of needles which contains one twin needle, as you can probably see, a stitch card and stitch card holder, as well as the following accessories. Okay, the accessories are a zigzag foot A, an over edge foot C, a zipper foot E, a satin stitch foot F. You get 4 spool holders, 2 small and 2 large, an automatic buttonhole foot which is also labelled R, a blind hem foot labelled G, and as well as your additional spool pin, 4 bobbins, and your normal screwdriver, lint brush and seam ripper or buttonhole opener. So that's what's in the box. The next step is to learn how to wind a bobbin.